Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Jio SIM is 5G enabled and your phone supports 5G bands. Next, update the OS and carrier firmware so the modem recognizes new bands. Then open Settings, enable mobile data, and select the 5G or NR network mode. This forces the radio to scan for 5G. Once done, place the phone near a window or outdoors to improve signal detection. 5G millimeter waves need clearer line of sight and less obstruction. Now you perform a targeted scan. Use a Network Info app or the phone service menu to list available cells and bands, because Jio often uses specific N-series bands. Once you identify a Jio 5G cell, set preferred network to 5G or lock the device to the desired band. This prevents falling back to 4G while testing. After changing preferences, restart the radio or toggle airplane mode to force a fresh registration, so the network assigns a 5G connection instead of defaulting back to LTE. Finally, verify you're on Jio 5G by checking the 5G or NR icon and running a speed test to confirm higher throughput and lower latency. If performance is weak, move outdoors or to a different floor. Signal variability is common. If you still can't connect, reset network settings, update carrier provisioning or PRL, and reinsert the SIM. These steps refresh provisioning. If problems persist, contact Jio support and provide cell ID and band info. This helps engineers troubleshoot site-level issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.